friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to say RIPv1 in Cisco Packet Tracer. So what is RIPv1? RIPv1 is nothing but the Routing Information Protocol version 1. So it is a kind of distance vector routing protocol and it is also classful protocol. So let's start with our video. First open the Cisco Packet Tracer. Now within this first we will create the topology. So we need for that our switches. So from switch, take the PT switch, just select it and we will need the 3 switches and for these 3 different switches we are going to connect 3 different machines. So arrange this properly. So again from end devices connect PC. Now these 3 machines are for first switch. Again another 3 machines are for second switch. And for last switch we'll have 3 different machines. Again this will need routers. Again select routers. Within this router we are going to select the router PT. So just drag and drop this. These 3 are the routers and we want to establish a connectivity. So best option is just select the automatic connection and give the connections. Select the automatic connection and give the connections. For example, from PC to switch, then automatic connection, PC to switch. Select the automatic connection. Establish connection from this third machine to switch. See, connection is established between 3 machines and switch. We need to connect this switch to the router also. Then we need connection between router to router. Now this router to router is of type of connection. It will take automatically. Now again connect this pieces with this switch. Now see here these green symbols are indicating, green arrows are indicating connection has been established. So again select the automatic connection, connect the switch to with pieces in its own network. So establish connection like this. Select automatic connection. Again we need to connect this second switch with the second router. Again third switch with router number 3. Again automatic connection between these 2 routers. Now see our topology is like this. In this switch, the 3 switches are there. To these 3 switches, 3 different machines are connected. Now we'll set the IP addresses to the machines. Now open the PC0. Then go to the desktop IP configuration. So we will set IP address for this machine as 10.10.10.10.2. Again, if you click here, automatically it will take the subnet mask and we have to provide the default gateway. So default gateway I will provide as 10.10.10.1. This is the default gateway and DNS server will be 0 as it is. So we have done setting for this. Now see for these 3 machines, PC0, PC1 and PC3, they are in the same network connected to the same switch. So default gateway will be same for all. So just I will copy it and close. Now take the second machine. Again desktop. Again IP configuration. Now default gateway is same. So just I will paste it. And IPv4 address will be 10.10.10.3. Now first machine we have our default gateway is 10.10.10.1 and address of this PC was 10.10.10.2. That's why address of this machine, that is second machine, I am assigning the 10.10.10.3. And if you click, automatically subnet mask will be set to this. Again connect. Select the third machine, desktop IP configuration. Again default gateway will be same. So default gateway 10.10.10.1. Again, IP address will be 10.10.10.4. If you click here, subnet mask will get set to this. Again, close this window. So we have done setting for 1, 2, 3, these three machines. Now same we have to do procedure for the another machines also. So again, select the first machine from second router which is connected to the second router. So desktop IP configuration. Now see what we'll do. They are connected with the network, different networks. So we'll connect the different networks, network IDs. So here we'll take IP address as 20.20.20.2. Why I'm setting as a 2? Because default gateway I want to set as 1. 20.20.20.1. So 20.20.20.1. This is my default gateway. Subnet mask will automatically generated. DNS server will be 0. So this copy this default gateway so that we can use it for another machines. Okay. Now close this. Open the another machine. Desktop IP configuration. Now default gateway will be same. So just paste it. Again, we want to set next IP address. So just 20.20.20.3 will be the next address. Again, click here. Subnet mask will get generated. Keep it as it is. Now close this. Select the third machine. Again, desktop IP configuration. Again, within this default gateway will be the same. So just paste it. Again, the next. This is our third machine from second network. So second router network. So just click. So take IP address as a 20.20.4. Click here. Subnet mask will get generated. Now close it. Now we have set IP addresses for these three machines. Again, click here. Again, desktop IP configuration. Here also default gateway will be same for all these three machines. So set the default gateway for this is 30.30.30.1. This will be the default gateway. So IP address will be 30.30.30.2. Subnet mask will get automatically generated. Now friends, as per your comfort, you can select the IP addresses. So I'm keeping easy range, that's a 10, 20, 30 like this. And just close this. Now take the second machine. Desktop IP configuration. Default gateway. We know this. It is a 30.30.30.1. IP address will be 30.30.30.3. Click here. Subnet mask will get generated. Again, close this. Now take the third machine. Again, desktop IP configuration. Default gateway. Just paste the default gateway. Again, take the IP address as a 30.31.30.4. Just click here. Subnet mask will get generated. Now we are going to do the settings for the router. Now see, this is my first router. So just select the first router. It is connected with the switch as well as another router. So first select configuration. Again, from configuration, fast Ethernet 0. Click here, port status on. Again, IP configuration and IP address we have to type here. So IPv4 IP address will be. Now see, it is a default gateway which we have used for these three machines. It is nothing but the 10.10.10.1. Okay, just click here. Subnet mask will get generated. Now after this, go to the serial 2/0. Again on the port status. Again, IPv4 configuration. So take the IPv4 configuration as a 20. No, it should be 40.40.40.1. You can click here, subnet mask will get generated. Now why here 40.40.40 as a IP as a 40.40.40 as a network addresses? Because for these three machines which is connected to this switch, the network address was 10.10.10. That's why previously we have, for this link we have used a 10.10.10.1. Now this is a new line which is connected from router to router. That's why we have taken the new network address as 40.40.40.1. Now just check the port status, it is on. And now close this. Now see, it is showing the status here. Just close this. Now we have done connectivity for the router 1. Now take the router 2. Against the router 2, 3 connections are there, which was connected to this second switch, and it is connected to the router number 1 and router number 2 also. So just double click on it. Again, go towards the configuration by using CLI. So you can change this, but preferable will be configuration. Then from configuration, select the fast Ethernet. Again, just switch on the settings. Again, IP address. IP address will be, friends, I have told you network address for this second switch was 20.20.20. So, and this link is connected to this router. So I will take the address first one to connect this link as a 20.20.20.1. Okay, subnet mask, automatically it will get generated. Now take the serial 2/0. Again, port status on. Again, IP configuration. Now see, while connecting this to this router, we have used the 40.40.40.2. So again, use the same one, 40.4. IP configuration will be 40.40.40.2, and just click here. So subnet mask will get generated. Now click on serial 30. Yes, it is going to connect to the third router. Now see, previously this arrow was red. Now it is showing green. Means wherever green symbols are there, they can send and receive the packages. Now see, serial 3, again go towards IP configuration. Then we have to set the IP address for this 50.50.50.21, because for this third network, we have used it and it is going to connect to the second. So use the same network 50.50.50.1. Just click here. Subnet mask will get generated. Okay, don't forget to switch on this. Then select the router number 3. Again, select the configuration, fast Ethernet. Again, switch on this port. Again, IP configuration for this is default gateway for this third machine was 30.30.30.30.1. Now see, this become activated and it is showing the green arrow. Now click here, it will generate the subnet mask. Now go towards serial 2/0 Ethernet. So select the first, switch on this. Again, select the IP address as 50.50.50.2. Means you have to use the same network. Subnet mask will get automatically regenerated. Just close this window. We have established all the connections here. Again, select the router, go to the next option, configuration. Again, from configuration, select the RIP option. Now we have to add the network addresses here. So type the full network address 10.0.0.0. Now add this address. Now take the next address 20.0.0.0.0. You can add this address. Means we have to add all the network addresses, whatever we are going to use. So add 30.0.0. Again add 40.0.0.0. Then click on add button. Next address 50.0.0.0. Click on add. Okay, we have added network addresses for this first router. Now repeat the procedure for the second router also. Select the second router. Again go to the configuration. Then RIP. Set the network addresses as a 10.0.0.0. Add. Again add the next address 20.0.0.0. Add. Again same, that is 30.0.0.0. Same procedure we have to repeat. And again 40.0.0.0. Means all the network addresses we have to add for all the routers. Just click on this button. Now close this. Open the third router and repeat. Same procedure you have to add. You have to add all the network addresses which you are going to use. See, our topology is ready. Network is ready to send and receive the messages. We can use the PDUs also. So suppose I am selecting this PDU, second PC from second network, first PC from third network. Now say it is showing the status as a successful. So what you will do, we'll use the IP ping command. That is, from this machine I want to send packets. So use the command prompt. Again ping. Suppose I want to send packet to this machine 30.30.30.3. Now see, sometime it can have a loss. Send 4 packets and received 3. That is 25% of loss can happen. Again, you can try for the another machine also ping. We will use the another machine from suppose this machine. Open the command prompt. Use the ping command. So I will send packet to this machine that is having the IP address 20.20.20.3. Just press enter. Now see, it is showing packet sent 4 and received 4, loss 0%. Now see, it is showing as the status successful. Now friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.